Under the cola tree, our stories unfold. Drums speak the past in rhythm spoke.
Did you know that in the Igbo traditional society, totem was not an object of worship, but a sacred emblem of identity, ancestry, protection, and respect for nature? Your work. So the four core Igbo totem that I mentioned and what it symbolized, what they symbolized: the python, eke, the eagle, ugo, tortoise, mbe, and agho, leopard. The four core Igbo totems. Like I said, that Igbo, they have several totems. Different families, they have their totems, trees, streams, mountains, hills, what have you, forests, river, that are family totems, clans totem, community totem, village totems, and any sacred, any totem, Igbo totem. I don't know whether I mentioned it. They are not object of worship. They are being respected. You don't hunt them. You don't unalive them. And you don't eat them. So you see, our ancestors, before the coming of the Europeans, practiced what we call protection of the ecological system, the ecosystem. They protected nature. There were some trees that they did not eat the fruit, they did not cut down. There were some animals they did not unalive, they didn't hunt, they didn't eat, rather they protected those animals. Rivers, fishes, let me say things in the water that they did not eat, or they protected them. Somebody commented in one of my videos in one of the apps and said, from what he has seen, watching my videos, listening and all that, is that he's not an Igbo person, that he should say that Igbos have been around for a very long time on this earth. And I replied him that yes, Igbos they are ancient people. The ancient people. Civilization. Igbos have been highly organized. If you have been following my videos, watching them, starting from is Igbo society a patrilineal or a patriarchy? That was my very first video. From there, you will see how well structured the traditional Igbo society was. And now talking about totem, part of it was respecting nature and harmonizing man and nature. What a beautiful practice. So this is about totem, and I don't know, you that is watching me, an Igbo person to be precise, do you know your family totem? Do you know that sacred thing that your family forbids, that is a taboo? Do you know that of your community? Do you know? Because totem, any family totem, community totem, whatever it is, the story behind it was that at one time helped to protect our ancestors or helped them in one way or the other. So that is that on totem. Wow. I will see you in my next video where I will be discussing another interesting Igbo tradition here on this channel. Keep it locked on Ifeanyiwa TV, the home of entertainment. See you in my next video.
Under the cola tree, our stories, the cola tree, our stories unfold.